Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making this very simple but refreshing recipe, pineapple flavored iced tea. With just two ingredients, you can also make this and enjoy. So I have some pineapple skin in my saucepan. I'll go ahead and fill it up with some water, and then I would put it on fire. So I had my pineapple peels in the freezer because I peeled it the day before, okay? So I had to pour in hot water instead of room temperature water. But if the peels are not frozen, feel free to add room temperature water. So after adding my water, I'm going to go ahead and cover and allow the peels or the water to boil over. So we are just getting the flavors of the pineapple peels or skin rather into the water, okay? So because I added hot water, I didn't take too long. I gave it about 15 minutes. And once it was done, I turned off the heat and allowed it to cool down just a little bit, not too much, okay? So I went ahead and strained it into this bowl and then dropped in my tea bags. So the reason why you're not supposed to let this cool down completely is because you need the hot temperature to get the most out of your tea bags. So I allow it to sit for a while I go ahead to blend my chopped pineapples. So this is my tea. I'm going to go ahead and add in my fresh pineapple juice. So after blending, I went ahead to sieve it as well, and then went in to add to my tea and then give it a good mix. So at this point, you can add in sugar if you like. But fortunately for me, I got very sweet pineapples that day. And secondly, I honestly didn't want to add any sugar at all, okay? So I went ahead to transfer into my jar and then put this in the fridge to chill because it's iced tea. And voila, we're done. I really liked this. It was so refreshing. And as a lactating mother who doesn't really like fruits, this was so good for me, and I hope you're inspired to try it. If you enjoyed this brief video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share when you're done watching, and let's keep this family growing. If you haven't subscribed already, also please do so because it's free. And until I see you again, keep blooming.